How to enable full screen album art on iPhone lock screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable full screen album art on your iPhone lock screen. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, if you're a music lover and you like to see the full screen album art on your iPhone whenever you turn it on, what you'll need to do is simply open up your Spotify and choose whichever song that you want. Just choose any songs that you want to hear and any song that you want on your lock screen. After you open it up, all you need to do is simply play. Tap on play and then lock your screen. Now you'll notice that as you can see, you can simply swipe and it will just disappear, and if you tap on the album art again, it will reappear on your iPhone lock screen. Now if you just lock your screen again and open it up again, you should alternate between the album art and your normal wallpaper. You can simply expand it and just simply use your wallpaper as well. Now it completely depends on your taste, and yeah, that is basically how you enable full screen album art on your iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.